students, today I'll be starting with question number 1 of exercise 3.2. Now question number 1 says, write the answer of each of the following questions. In the first part we have, what is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? We have seen this in the introduction video that here, see, the name of horizontal line means this line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. So we'll write horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, now coming to the second part. In the second part we have, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Now here we have seen that these two lines, x-axis and y-axis, these two lines cut this Cartesian plane into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each part is called quadrant. Okay, so we'll write each part is called quadrant. Okay, now in the third part we have, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Intersect means where we will have to write the name of the point where two lines cut each other. See from the figure, these two lines intersect means cut each other over here. This is the intersecting point and this point is known as origin. Okay, origin means a point where something begins. Like here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on starts from 0. This side also numbers start from 0, this side also numbers start from 0, and this side also numbers starts from 0. So the two lines cut each other at origin. Origin means a point where something begins. So we'll write origin. Okay. Question number 2 says, see the given figure and write the following. In the first part we have the coordinates of point B. Now where is point B? Here is point B. Now we will have to write the coordinates. Now as you know that at first we will write the value of x and then we will write the value of y. Okay, so value of x, see, if this is x-axis, so value of x is -5 because here is -5, and value of y will go towards upward, so it's 2. So it will be, coordinates of point B will be -5, 2. Okay, now next. In the second part we have the coordinate of point C. Now point C is here, so we'll write the value of x and then y. So value of x, see here, this is x means 5. Okay, now we will see the value of y, so we'll go towards y-axis. So here is -5 because this line and this line meet at point C. So at first we will take the value of x, which is 5, and -5, which is the value of ordinate, or we can say the value of y. Okay, so it's 5, -5. Now, in the third part, we have the point identified by the coordinate -3, -5. So, from the figure, we will just find the point identified by the coordinate -3 and -5. So, -3 means value of x and -5 means value of y. So, at first, we will just see the x axis. Now, -3. See here is -3. Okay. And then -5. So for finding -5 we will go towards y-axis. So -5 is here, and if you just draw the perpendicular line from -5 and -3, the two line meet at point E, right? So the point identified by the coordinate -3, 5 will be point E. Okay, now coming to the fourth part. In the fourth part, we have the point identified by the coordinate 2, -4. Now value of 2, -4 means value of x is 2 and value of y is -4. So value of x is 2. So where is 2? 2 is positive, so we'll go towards the right side of origin. So here is 2. Now value of y is -4. So to find -4, we'll just see the y-axis. So -4 means lower part of the origin. So here is -4. Now from -4, if you just draw perpendicular line, and from 2 if you draw perpendicular line, the two line meet at point G. So the point identified by the coordinate 2, -4 will be point G. Okay. Now in the fifth part, we have the abscissa of the point D. Abscissa means the value of x. So at first we have to find the we will have to find the coordinates of D, and then we can get the value of x, means value of abscissa. Okay. Now so we'll just see the figure. See, point D is over here. So to write the coordinates, at first we will have to find the value of x. So here is point D, means right side of the origin. So we'll go towards right side of the origin. We'll go up to this. Okay. Now here we can see that the value of x is 6, right? And value of y. So to find the value of y, we'll go towards up till 2 will go, right? So the value of y is 2. So the coordinates of point D is 6, 2, in which abscissa means the value of x is 6. So we'll write the abscissa of the point D is 6. Okay. Now in the sixth part, we have the ordinate of the point H. Ordinate means the value of y. So similarly, we will have to find the coordinates of H at first. So where is H in the figure? Here is H. So at first we have to find the value of x. So H is left part of the origin. So we'll go towards left. We'll go up to this. So here is -5. So value of x, or we can say the value of abscissa, is -5. Now we will have to find the value of y, which is the value of ordinate. So for this, we'll just go towards y-axis. We'll go up to -3, because from -3 if you draw perpendicular line, and from -5 if you draw perpendicular line, the two line meet at point H. So that means the coordinate of point H is -5 and -3, in which the value of y, means ordinate, is -3. So we'll write -3. Okay. Now in the seventh part, we have the coordinate of the point L. Now where is L in the figure? Here is L. So we'll write the value of x, and then we'll write the value of y. Now we can see from the figure that L lies on the y-axis, and we know that on the y-axis the value of x is 0. On the y-axis the value of x is 0, so here will be 0. Now we will write the value of y. Now for finding the value of y, we'll just see L is placed at which point. Here we can see that L is placed at point 5. So that means value of y is 5. So the coordinate of point L is 0, 5. Always remember one thing, value of x on y-axis is 0. Okay, here since L lies on the y-axis, that's why value of x will be 0. Okay, at point L value of x will be 0 because L lies on the y-axis. Similarly, if any point lies on the x-axis, okay, if any point lies on the x-axis, then value of y will be 0. Now in the last part we have the coordinates of the point M. Now where is M in the figure? M is over here. So at first we will have to write the value of x and then we will have to write the value of y. So value of x will be, see, since M lies to the left of origin, so we'll go up to -3. Okay, so value of M will be, means the coordinate of the point M will be -3, which is the value of x. Now what will be the value of y? Just now I said that the point lies on the y-axis. See, like here L point lies on the y-axis, that's why the value of x is 0, because value on the y-axis value of x is 0 and on the x-axis value of y is 0. So here the coordinate of the point M will be -3, 0, because M lies on the x-axis. Okay, and on the x-axis value of y is 0, that's why the coordinate of the point M will be -3, 0. Okay, so this is how we do number 2 of exercise 3.2. Thank you, students.